Kapor Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Shuwa bu astronaut nunungki hau group Captain Shukla unwan poi sla Pyrthei ki Paidbah kila ai Burom bat payang saubha ya ki Kmie ki pa jong kata ya ukupa Shambu dayal Shukla bat ka Kmie ka Asha Shukla hakapor bagi wan poi hasiti Montessori School hanang ba Lucknow nang le ki Kmie ki pa bagi Paidbah ki dang pe ya ka live telecast ka bau Captain Shukla lo jan poi sla Pyrthei bat unhiar Hasan Jeko ha California. Uday nong India benekong ban poi sa International Space Station. Bat kasimpor iudu arpo arkanta banyat denti na ISS ban poi sa Pyrthei. Hakapor bu don hau ladap banle nucleic experiment.
You can now see on the screen SpaceX support personnel beginning the rigging procedures to ensure that the Dragon spacecraft is rigged.
SpaceX, be advised, we're going to step into transitioning the forward link. Comm will be unavailable for approximately 5 minutes. Rigging continues nominally.
Dragon copies, 5 minutes. LOS.
Again, the Corps just keeping the crew updated with the operations that they're performing. They won't have comms for about 5 minutes, but rigging is continuing, as we can see there.